Looking ahead at an important week for the Supreme Court, where the justices are going to hear arguments on several key and contentious issues, including abortion limits and a claim by former President Trump that presidents have complete and total legal immunity for their actions when in office. But first, they're going to hear a case focusing on homelessness and what can and cannot be done to fight it. Jan Crawford is at the Supreme Court for us, covering all this. Jan, big week. Good morning.
A big week, Tony. And first this morning, a case from Grants Pass, Oregon. Now, that's a town of about 40,000 people, and it was seeing more and more homeless people who were sleeping outside in their cars or in tents. And businesses and residents started complaining. So the city started enforcing laws that were punishable with fines or even a month in jail for repeat offenders that outlawed sleeping or camping in public spaces. Now, a group of people who are homeless sued, saying that amounted to unconstitutional, cruel, and unusual punishment in violation of the Eighth Amendment. Lower courts agreed, and they blocked Grants Pass from enforcing the law. Now, this case could have wide-ranging implications. A liberal governor at California, Gavin Newsom, Republican officials in 23 states have weighed in, saying that if the court strikes down this law, it could make it almost impossible to dismantle encampments. Tony?
That would cause problems of its own. Jan, what about the other cases on the court's schedule this week?
Well, on Wednesday, we're going to have a case about emergency medical care for women who may need abortions. Now, in that case, the Biden administration sued Idaho, saying that its abortion ban, which only allows exceptions to save the life of a mother or in cases of rape and incest, violates a federal law regarding emergency medical treatment. Then on Thursday, the most contentious of them all, involving President Trump and former President Trump, and whether he can be criminally prosecuted for actions while he was in office. This case could determine whether special counsel Jack Smith can go forward with that trial to prosecute former President Trump for his alleged efforts to interfere and overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election. Now, Trump, of course, claims that he is absolutely immune from prosecution. Tony?
Jan, thank you very much.